All right. So looking at this four-square activity, why do you think it's important that we look at more than just the definition of our vocabulary words? Abby.
So we can learn more about it.
Right. Why else, Wyatt?
So we can figure out all four parts of it.
Sure. All right. Any other reasons why? Summer.
Because that way we can tell what it means by more ways than just its definition.
Right. Yep. And as you get older, you might be looking at words in different ways other than just the definition. So if you have a good understanding of what some of these words are in other parts, it'll be easier for you to learn the vocabulary words and other words that way. Right? All right. So we're going to do an example together so that you know what you'll be doing on your own. So the example word that I'm going to do is happy. So that's where our word is going to go, right here. And on your sheets, I already filled in the words for you. So I would go and I would look in my glossary of our reading book to find the word happy. I'm not sure if it's in here, but that's okay. All right, so we could say happy would be to feel good or be content. So that would be my definition. So I would write that and this definition square. Next, I could choose any of the other boxes, but I think the easiest one would be synonym because you have your definition. Your definition can then help you find your synonym. And we're just going to find synonyms today because antonyms are a little tricky. Does anyone know what a synonym is? Lexi. Right, exactly. So what would be a synonym of happy? Lane.
Joy.
Yep. And what would be another one? We have two. Riley. All right, that's okay. Abby? All right. Next, since we have definitions, we could probably go ahead and use it in a sentence since we have a good idea of what this word means. What could be a sentence that we could write for the word happy? Emma. Yeah, that's a great sentence. Then what a good idea of an illustration would be is to maybe draw what you wrote in your sentence. That would be the easiest way to add your illustration or your picture. Otherwise, you could draw something separate. So what could I draw for this sentence? Narita. Okay. What about if we add some hearts because that represents balance? Yeah. All right, so this is what you are going to be doing with your vocabulary words. And I've already split each of you up into groups. Some of you, since there's only 10 words, some of you will be working on your own, and some of you will be working on me. That's okay. So, the first one is Wyatt, who will be working alone on gigantic. The next one is Narita and Lane working on miniature. You may get your reading books out when I give you your group paper. And then these next three are on their own. So Lexi, you're on your own. Emma, you're on your own, and Caitlin. All right. So you have about 6 minutes to get this completed, and I think you can do that in 6 minutes. What you can do to help you get through this a little faster is you can break the section up if there's 2 people, and maybe have one person do this side and the other person do this side, so that you can get done a little faster and work together as a group. Alright, so if we're looking at our clock now, we have about 5 minutes. What time is it going to be when we come back together? Abby, 9:45. Right, about 9:45. Right, go ahead and get started.
So which side do you want to do? This
Like it's small, right? Can I write that?
Okay, so the definition.
Small, and then you can just write it on those pages. I can't wait till we get to the story. It does. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so like I have a minute. We use minutes here in the sentence. I have your minute size. Look at that. How about miniature size plants? How about I went to my miniature golf yesterday? Yeah. Well, okay, I got it.
I think you have it spelled right.
Oh no. Probably gonna get. Oh no. Wait, what are you drawing? Then I have to write a sentence about when I'm
So I got
drawing.
I just like
Here, if it comes by. It disappeared from here. Okay, so we got it. No, I'll say the superheroes. John.
Right now, we're going to take turns sharing our vocabulary cards so we can all learn the definitions and other parts of our words. So, when we are sharing, we need to, as listeners, be paying attention, have eye contact with the person presenting, and listen very carefully, right? No talking, no looking around. And as a presenter, you need to talk in a very loud, confident voice, because I was walking around and all of your answers to the squares are right. You all have a good understanding. So all you're doing is just giving information to the rest of your students, the rest of your peers. So we'll begin with gigantic. We have the word gigantic. Come on up. Yes, Lynn.
If two of us had the same word, can we both go up there?
Yep, if two people had the word, you go up. All right. You can start with the definition, then you can go to the synonym, and the sentence, and the illustration.
The definition is giant in size. The synonym is huge, giant. Used in a sentence is a giant is gigantic, and the picture is the green giant in the face.
The second word is miniature. Miniature.
Alright. Small and medium is synonym. Definition, much smaller than the usual size. Used in a sentence. I went to play miniature golf yesterday. There's a picture.
Very nicely done. Especially.
Got that one too.
That especially.
In a special way.
I can't read my writing.
Specifically.
Toy was expression mine.
Say that sentence a little louder.
Toy was expression mine. Louder.
That was fine. I think everyone heard it.
There it shows.